video we want to look at precipitation reaction. This one repeated 5 more question also. Precipitation reaction are based on their interaction of antigen and antibodies. They are based on two soluble reactant that come together to make one insoluble product, the precipitate. This one is antigen antibody reaction. Two soluble reactant that comes together to make one insoluble product, that precipitate. It can be divided into two techniques: conventional technique, newer technique. Conventional technique, they have precipitation test, agglutination test, complement fixation test and neutralization test. Newer technique, they have ELISA, IFA, RIA, CLIA, hemoluminal immunoassay, immunohistochemistry, then rapid test, lateral flow assay, ICT, flow through assay. Another technique, Western blot and immunoassay using electron microscopy. In this question, we will see about that precipitation test in detail. What is precipitation reaction? Two soluble reactant comes together to make one insoluble product, precipitate. What is precipitation reaction? Two soluble reactants come together to make one insoluble product, that is called precipitate. When a soluble antigen react with its antibody in the presence of optimal temperature, pH and electrolytes like NaCl, it leads to the formation of the antigen antibody complex in the form of two ways. First one is insoluble precipitate band with gel containing medium is used. Second one is insoluble floccules when liquid medium is used. When a soluble antigen react with its antibody in the presence of optimal temperature, pH and electrolytes, it leads to the formation of antigen antibody complexes. It can be two form. First one is insoluble precipitate band when gel containing medium is used. Insoluble precipitate band when it will form gel containing medium. Insoluble flocculates when liquid medium are using. Here we are using two type of medium, gel medium and liquid medium. This one is antigen, this one is the antibody. When antigen and antibody level is equal, that time only precipitation zone will occur. That name is called the zone of equivalence. This one is antigen antibody. When antigen antibody level equal, that time only precipitation will occur. That name is called as zone of equivalence. Precipitation, we already saw two type of medium is the gel medium and liquid medium. Precipitation in liquid medium, they containing ring test, slide flocculation test, tube flocculation test. Ring test, they employed for streptococcal grouping by Lancefield technique. Ascoli thermoprecipitation test done for anthrax. So ring test for streptococcal grouping by Lancefield technique, Ascoli thermoprecipitation test done for anthrax. Second one is slide test, VDRL and RPR test used for diagnosis of syphilis. Then tube flocculation test, Cahn test used for syphilis. Second one is gel example immunodiffusion technique. It have more advantage over liquid medium. What are the advantage? Clear visible band are formed which can be preserved for long time. Here clear visible band are formed in gel medium, so it can be preserved for long time. Then individual antigen from a mixture can be differentiated. Individual antigen we can differentiate. These two advantage having gel precipitation technique. Then example of gel precipitation: single diffusion in one dimension, double diffusion in one dimension, single diffusion in two dimension, double diffusion in one dimension. Single diffusion in one dimension example: Artin procedure. Double diffusion in one dimensional example: Oakley-Farthorpe procedure. Single diffusion in two dimensional radioimmunodiffusion. Double diffusion in two dimension example: Osterlani procedure. Then this liquid method having more time, 2 to 3 days. So nowadays they are using electric current. Movement of antigen and antibody can be made faster if immunodiffusion in gel is carried out in the presence of electric current. So nowadays they are using electric current. Example of electric current method: electroimmunodiffusion, counter current immunoelectrophoresis, rocket electrophoresis. It takes less time only, but liquid precipitation technique takes 2 to 3 days. So they are using nowadays electric current. Example: electroimmunodiffusion EID, CIEP, counter current immunoelectrophoresis. Then third one is rocket electrophoresis. So in this video we saw about precipitation technique. This one is antigen antibody reaction. This one is comes under conventional technique precipitation. Then it have three different types. Here two medium we are using: liquid medium and gel medium. Liquid medium having ring test, slide test, tube test. Then gel medium containing this diffusion technique. Diffusion technique: single diffusion, double diffusion, one dimensional and two dimensional. Nowadays they are using electric current method. That's all about precipitation technique. This one repeated 5 mark questions.